Put this in your house, and you'll never have to worry about mosquitoes or flies again. I learned this amazing trick from my friend who lives in a very mosquito-prone area. Today, I'm sharing it with you. It's surprisingly simple, but I promise you it's a game changer. I bet you've never thought of using a candle this way, but after seeing what it can do, you'll definitely want to try it out yourself. To start, I have some coffee grounds here, and I'm going to fill the glass completely with coffee. It doesn't need to be fancy, just fill it up. People use this trick in their backyards, patios, and even when they go camping, and for good reason. Trust me, you'll be blown away by how effective this is if you stay until the end. While I'm getting the rest of the materials ready, let me know in the comments which country or city you're watching from. I'd love to give you a personal shout-out in my next video. Don't miss it! Now, take a wax candle. Using a knife, carefully trim all the edges without cutting the wick. We're going to need it. Take your time with this part, it's important. Once we have the wick free, we're going to place it right in the center of the coffee grounds, just like I'm doing here. Next, grab some cloves, those sweet-smelling cloves, and sprinkle them on top of the coffee. You don't need too many, just enough to cover the surface. Once that's done, light the wick. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what on earth are we doing here? Watch closely as the wick starts burning. After a moment, you'll notice a gentle white smoke rising. That's exactly what we want. This unique combination of coffee, cloves, and wax creates an aroma that insects absolutely hate. What we just created is a super effective homemade repellent. It keeps flies, mosquitoes, and other annoying insects away instantly. Just take it to wherever those bugs are bothering you and watch them vanish in no time.